Okay, right then. The Seconic meter to check the light levels. So basically what that does, the jack plug on the end of the long cable fits into the back of the flash head that's got the little aerial on it. That's the one that's connected. So this fits into the meter at the very bottom there, at the bottom right hand side of it. Now there are a number of settings on it. The mode setting, if somebody moves that, it'll go on to the setting for taking photos of, for taking readings of ambient light, any kind of just a normal light meter, or it has flash, or flash, the little flash lightning symbol and a little C, which is corded, which means it's attached by that. Now, the ISO, the film speed it used to be in the olden days setting, there's a button there. If you push the ISO button in, then the up or down button on the side allow you to change the settings. Normally that'd be left at 100. You want to check that it's at 100 for standard flash use. Also, this little bit at the top, if that moves, it can affect your readings. There's a little lens there, but that needs to be covered by the little Invercone bit, and that will take accurate readings. What you do basically is put your light up, get your subject setting, and then you walk up in front of them, take the meter and position it there, and just the reading for that, you then transfer to the camera. Once you've done that, take a photo. If you move the light, take another reading. If you change what's on the front of the light, take another reading. If the person moves an amount, take another reading. This is to save you hours and hours sitting trying to adjust things in Photoshop when you could be doing much more exciting things. But on the Photoshop thing, there's also, for the first shot that you take, or the first couple of shots that you take, if you include this in the frame, it's got a white, a black and a mid-grey, and what that will allow you is, it's a reference. So when you put in Photoshop or Adobe Camera Raw, you can use the eyedropper, click on there and it'll give you a neutral mid-tone. So in Camera Raw or in Lightroom, it will allow you to adjust not just one, but dozens or even 100 shots at one time to get the light balance critically correct. If you're photographing garments where you need to have the colour really, really accurate. If you want instead to use the white and use the white eyedropper in levels, that would do the same thing. That's just for reference. Take a couple of shots with that in, then put it to the side, and you've got it for when you load it. It's also good if you do it at the start of a section, because then when you're looking through your small thumbnails, you've got a bit that you can look at and you can see where one section ends and another one begins. And that actually is all about the meter, but the actual camera flash head setting, I'm going to bring that over here. The last person that was using it before, you'll probably have it set on what was appropriate for them. There are two settings at the side here. We'll have power and we'll have lamp. The lamp just adjusts how bright the lamp is. This is a modelling lamp, but gives you an idea of what way the light's going to come out of the flash head. The power settings here are more significant, more important to you, because 1, 2, 3, up to 6, each full stop there halves or doubles the power. So if we go down the way, we'll give half as much light. If we go up the way from 2 to 3, that'll give twice the amount of light. So if you're not getting enough light on your subject, you can increase that. Then, of course, get your meter, take another reading and check it and see if that allows you to use the settings that you want to use. Right. Move that other flash away just for a second, because we don't need this one.